Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Invader's News and Weather Forecast for January 8th, 2021. I'm sorry this is a late upload, I've been busy, but hopefully, if you guys watch this video, hopefully this will help you out. But today in this upcoming video, we'll be tracking two upcoming snowstorms, winter storms in the southern United States that will be developing over Saturday, tomorrow, through Sunday, as winter alerts are being issued, winter storm watches, and winter weather advisories will be issued right now. Let's get into the video. So right now in the National Weather Hazards map, we do have a winter weather advisory, winter storm warning in effect over parts of Colorado, New Mexico. In the Texas Panhandle, we have a winter storm, a winter storm watch, and a winter weather advisory extends down from the northern and central parts of Texas here. Then we could see some winter alerts stress in these areas here. Maybe we're watching for upcoming winter alerts in this area. We could see like a winter weather advisory, winter storm watch being issued in this area, which we'll be watching as this low pressure continues to bring snow for much of the Texas region. So let's get into the video. Let's go to the National Weather Service here in Merilio. They're expecting snow, likely chances here as we're watching these areas. Winter weather safety tips here. Then let's check out. This is the National Weather Service in Merilio. Then okay, let's check this out. So let's check the San Antonio office. Winter storm watches are in effect right now. Snow testing and winter forecasting updates here. This is what we're watching. Really cold temperatures in Texas as they began to prepare for upcoming winter storms. But this is what we're watching here from the National Weather Service here. There's a National Weather Service in Lubbock here. We do have a winter storm watch. In fact, in these areas, heavy snow is expected in this area. So this is what we're watching. Many of these areas will see heavy snow in this area. Then we go to the Fort Ford, Dallas, Texas area here. We have a winter storm watch going on. Then we can expect some trace to 1 to 2 inches, 2 to 3 inches in many areas, maybe up to 4 inches of snow in those areas. This is what we're expecting. A winter storm watch has been issued to south of the Dallas metro area. And this is Sunday snow impacts here. And this is generally what we are watching for the upcoming season. So this is what we're watching. Alright, so, going back to where we started here, we could expect snow here in Louisiana, too. Accumulating snow possible here in these areas here. And this is what we're watching. So, Texas, from the states of Texas and Louisiana, this is what we're watching with the upcoming snow here in those areas. Alright, so beginning now, we're watching that, low pressure system. Now let's check the GPS model here. So as you can see, we'll be watching a setup with the heavy snow going on. This is what we're watching here. This heavy snow going to be forming. This is what we're generally watching the area. And the snow system should be moving across in this general pattern, bringing snow up in this direction. And goes to states like parts of one train makes for parts of Texas, parts of Arkansas, Louisiana, states like parts of northern Mississippi here, parts of western Tennessee, parts of central Tennessee too. Maybe northern Tennessee could see this heavy snow bands. Mostly it would be right here. The accumulated amounts should be around this area here. We'll see the heaviest snow amounts in the darker blue to shade, but you're going to see on the GFS model how we're watching the timing from Saturday to Sunday here, watching that snow and rain. Then mostly turn to rain, then snow as that colder is in place, then rain, for mostly southeast, and that is what we're watching on the JFS model. Now let's check the NAM3KM model. We can get descriptive about what's going on here. Now checking the NAM3KM model, watching here. Oh, sorry. In the South Central United States, this is what we're watching with development of an upcoming snowstorm here in the South Central United States here. You see the heavy snow over New Mexico, the Texas Panhandle, parts of Central Texas, seeing that snow now, and we can see the heavy snow bands just in the shaded darker blue shaded here. That's the heavier snow bands right there. Some lighter snow bands just in this blue area. So this is what we're generally watching with this upcoming snowstorm. It's gonna bring a rain, heavy snow. Then it's gonna be pushing to states of um Louisiana here, northern Louisiana here. We got some heavy snow still going on, lingering in Texas, pushing to states like Mississippi, Arkansas here. With that warm air in place, we can see some freezing rain and sleet in that area. Then only because it's as you get higher in the atmosphere, you can see it's colder up there. As the snow comes down, it's gonna like melt really quickly, and it will all turn to sleet. So that's why you can see on the radar here on the Naventry cam model, it's showing sleet on the radar because look, because not only due to we got warm air in the areas, you can see that's the red lines, the warm air, and this is the blue line. This is the freezing line. So you gotta be below the freezing line for the snow to all transit to snow if that moisture going on. So basically, there's snow in a high atmosphere as it falls to the ground. It's gonna quickly melt into, and it's gonna come down to as sleet instead with those warmer temperatures. So that is why we're seeing that purple all turning in freezing rain too, mixing with that snow. So this is what we're generally watching on the on the NAM3K model right now, the heavy snow. But this is just a model run. This is not going to be the exact forecast of what we're expecting. But this is how the models will tell how this will system go. Then this snow will enter Mississippi here. Of course, Alabama could see some rain snow. Then this will generally head up into north in this direction into Tennessee. So looks like parts of Alabama, Mississippi, maybe parts of Georgia, Louisiana, Texas, Arkansas could see some little snow. Could see some little snow in Georgia, but mostly states like Texas, Texas Panhandle, parts of New Mexico, parts of Arkansas, Louisiana, parts of northern Mississippi, western to central northern Tennessee, parts of northwest Alabama, could see some heavy snow, some light to heavy snow in those areas. Now, how much snow we are expecting from the total snowfall rates? This is what we're generally watching with that snow moving through. We're watching a NAM3K model. How much snow? So this is what we're basically watching with those heavier snow amounts here. We're expecting from much of these areas from 1 to 4 inches of snow here, maybe from 4 to 5 inches, maybe up to 6 inches of snow, according to NAM3K model as the snow falls in these areas here. But trace just northern up here, then this heavier snow amount continues to parts of Louisiana, Arkansas, and into the states of Mississippi. Parts of Alabama could see some little snow in those areas. But as what we're watching on the NAM3K model, how much snow will be getting out from this upcoming snowstorm. So that's basically all we're watching. That's all from Invader's 9 News and Weather Forecast for January 8th, 2021. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.